Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to be showing you guys how you can actually invest in the right Nigerian stock using Wealth.ng. So without wasting much more time, let's hop right into it. Alright, so firstly I'm just gonna log into my tutorial account for you guys to see. So if you don't know about Wealth.ng and this is your first time, you can actually go back to my previous video. I'm going to drop the link in the description below so you can actually watch it out and have a better understanding about what we're about to do in today's video. So basically what you want to do is to come to the marketplace over here. So the first way you can actually know if this is going to be the right stock for you to select is basically through the historical activities of that company. That's basically what I do. I look at companies, I look at their rankings, I look at how much this company actually gains in a year, or even monthly or quarterly. So basically when you hear about certain companies like Dangote, you hear about certain companies like Lafarge or MTN, Airtel, those companies that that are always getting, a lot of people are actually making use of them. So basically that's the first thing I actually look out. So that's why majorly anytime I'm going to buy a stock, I always go for this MTN, I always go for Lafarge, I always go for Dangote Sugar, Dangote Cement, companies that I do know that are actually always earning, companies I know that a lot of people are actually making use of. So that's the first method. And the second method is basically by you going to the Nigerian stock trends, daily news. You can actually go to investing.com to get started. So you can actually this is investing.com. So you can actually have a better idea about how this trend actually operates. So basically, as you can see over here, investing.com, I have MTN Nigeria Communications. I can as well search for other stocks over here. So basically you just want to take a look at this particular company. As you can see over here, this is right from 30th of May 2023. You can see it was at 250 and then it started dropping and then it came up back. So basically you can see the activity of each companies through this particular site. But majorly in all, like I said right from the beginning, what I do personally is I actually look at the historical activities of that company and the name, how popular that company is, how the number of people that I do know they're actually making use of that company. And now if you click on any of this stock over here, let's go for this particular one. For example, you would see the 52 weeks range. So basically that's the 1 year range where the the unit share amounts actually ranges from to the highest. So basically you can see this particular company, it ranges from 0.52 naira to 0.77 naira. So this is the 52 weeks range, that is 1 year. So no matter what happens, the unit share is going to be within this range. So the same thing applies to other stocks. For example, MTN over here, you can see MTN 52 weeks is basically 185 naira to 284 naira. So basically what I do, like I said, I'm basically talking about my experience in today's video. What I do is sometimes I wait for MTN to drop. When it drops, I then purchase the stock. I purchase a lot of them, a lot of shares at that moment, and then in few weeks or even before the end of that week, you just see MTN actually boosting up, and then your money actually increases a lot, and then you can just sell it back to the stock market if you actually need the money. So basically that's actually how I do my thing. So now if you're the type that is actually interested in probably short-term investments or long-term investments, whichever one, you can actually go for certain companies like MTN, or you can go for Nestle or even Lafarge or Dangote. But like I said, these are all personal references. They're all my personal opinions right from my experience over the years. These are companies that I have actually earned a lot of dividend from them, so that's why I'm actually recommending them in today's video. You can see Lafarge over here basically rising at about 2.93%. You can see Dangote Sugar. So basically, like I said, I do wait most of the time for these stocks to actually drop a bit where you see the red, and then I purchase it, and then in few weeks time, once it goes up, and then my money actually goes up, and then I do sell it back to the stock market. So basically guys, that's how it actually works. That's how I actually do my own stock marketing. And yeah, I hope you actually learned a lot from today's video, and if you surely did and you haven't still subscribed, make sure to subscribe and also drop a like on today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.